I may be the last person to review this. That's how late this is. Yo, what is good everybody? This is Moral from the Project Limelife, and today I will be giving an in-depth review of these sneakers right here, the Air Jordan 1 High in the Royal Toe colorway. Thank you guys again for tuning in to today's video, and if you're new here, I welcome you and I appreciate you stopping by. This channel is for the new sneakerhead such as myself, and so if you are a fan of that, then this is the channel for you. And other than that, I also do some apparel reviews, some lookbooks, and even travel vlogs. So if you are a fan of that, I highly suggest you subscribe now. And with all the pleasantries out of the way, let's go talk about some sneakers. Now these Jordan 1 Highs here released in the US last May 9th and here in the Philippines on May 13th, and they retailed for $170 or 8,095 pesos. Now I managed to secure this pair from Titan on release day, and although there was a significant amount of stock of these, they still somehow sold out and even led to having Titan's website crashing multiple times around the day. I was happy I was able to check out with these, and I was able to actually do it the following day when Titan had a mini restock. Now I know that Titan wasn't the only store that had these, and even the Nike stores had this, but they didn't have that much of a size run compared to Titan. And just now, I am sure that there were a lot of stocks because upon checking, there happened to be a lot of unclaimed pairs. And when Manila's ECQ was finally lifted into a GCQ, there were a ton of people rushing to the mall to cop this pair. And I was shocked by how people wanted to get this. Now I have seen a video online and I will probably post it here right now for your watch. And let me just tell you right now how much hype there is in the Philippines with regards to sneakers. Let's pull the clip. That was scary, which made me even more happy and more blessed that I was able to cop this sneaker in the comforts of my own home. But now talking about the sneakers itself, it does come in this normal Air Jordan 1 box. Now this sneaker is called the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and its official colorway is black/black-white-game royal. Starting at the tip of the sneaker right over here, it is in this black tumbled leather that is pretty soft to the touch. What I can say though is that it seems that the entire sneaker is made out of this same material. Now I am not 100% sure about that, and if I am wrong, please do correct me in the comment section down below. But from my feel and sight, it does kind of look the same. It does seem like it is made out of decent quality. Now moving up, you've got your perforated royal blue toe box, which is why they call it the royal toe. But then again, you probably already know that. Now moving up to the tongue, it is in black, and it does seem like it is made out of this nylon material. And as you can see from the eyelet, it does come pre-laced with these black flat shoelaces. Now if you are not a fan of that, this sneaker does come with some extra shoelaces, and it does come in this royal blue flat shoelaces. Now moving up to the top of the tongue, you can see that there is this black tag in leather with the Nike Air branding debossed in white. Now the eyelets and the panel hosting the Jordan Wings brand is also in this black leather. Now talking about the middle portion of the shoe, or should I say the quarter, it is in this white tumbled leather, and it also has the black Nike swoosh also in that same leather. Now the lateral side may show the Jordan Wings branding, but if you take a look at the middle side of the sneaker, you will see that there is no wings, and I just never kind of noticed that with Jordans. I thought that haven't always been wings on both sides of the sneaker, but this is some new knowledge for me. Now continuing moving back on the sneaker, you can see that there is more of this black leather that makes up most of this heel part. Taking a look over the top of the heel area, however, you can see that there is a change of color from the black to a royal blue color, and as you can see, there is more of that royal blue color underneath that black leather paneling housing the Jordan Wings brand. Now moving into the inside of the sneaker, you have this very thick, very plush sock liner in black, and continuing inside, you do have your black EVA insole with the Nike Air branding printed in royal blue. Now from my eyes, I can see that the quality of printing of the Nike Air branding is pretty bad, and I can see this rubbing off with normal use. So if you do want to preserve that, I highly suggest putting some tape over it, maybe Scotch tape or masking tape. Now going down on the sneaker, you have your hard rubber white midsole, and finally rounding things up over here at the outsole, you do have your rubber royal blue outsole. Overall, the Air Jordan 1 may have been on my not so hot sneaker list for quite some time, but after taking a pretty good look at this, I think I might change my mind. Now lastly, talking about sizing, which is the most important part of this review, the Air Jordan 1 High Royal Toes does seem to fit me true to size. Now I would consider myself a pretty normal feet guy, which means that my feet are not too wide and not too narrow. I like to think I'm average, so I hope that helps you out when picking out your size when buying Jordans. But if you do have the opportunity to try these on, I highly suggest you do first, so that you are 100% sure with your sizing. But yes, this has been my review of the Nike Air Jordan 1 High Royal Toe. But now I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you think about the Air Jordan 1 High Royal Toes. And would you consider putting it on your cop list and even your sneaker rotation? I'd love to hear all about it in the comment section down below. And as always, if you happen to like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And once again, if you are new and haven't yet subscribed, please do. And for you to always be updated to my videos, I highly suggest you also click that notification bell. And you can reach me through my socials over at Twitter and Instagram at Neymar_Jr. And yes, it is named after the football player. But that concludes today's video. Once again, thank you guys for watching. It's been great talking to you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. As always, stay safe and God bless.